Hello friends, so in this video we will learn about the next advanced feature that we can use for transformation, that is pivoting and unpivoting our table. For that, let's go to the Power Query, and as I said in our theory part of advanced features, that these transformation is not it's always not required to apply all the transformation in our project. We have to take a conscious decision that whether this particular transformation is required or not required. So, in our particular project, in athletes winter and athletes summer games, this pivoting and unpivoting is not required, right? But for the demonstration purpose, let's create a small table, and uh, we can apply the pivot and unpivot feature on that particular table. For that, I have simply entered data. I'll create a table fast. Name, maths, English, and science. And here are the students' names: Alex, Sarah, John. Let me give some marks. And, let me create this table. So here we have a very small. I don't need this column one. Remove this column. Fine. So here is the small table with the name with Alex, Zara, and John. Math, English, and science. Let me quickly convert this columns into number. Whole number. Science marks is also whole number. Now, I want to do what we have discussed in that theory part. That I want to take the name and the subject, all the subject, and the marks of those subject. So I will select these three columns by simply selecting one column and shift with other. When shift right click, it will select all the columns. So I have selected these three columns, or you can also select one by one, like one select column, then click on another column with the control. So it will select this also. Click on the another third column with the control. So all the three columns got selected. Now in transform, in the any column, there is option called unpivot column here. So in this unpivot column, if you expand it, so there are two, three different options. One is unpivot the column, another is unpivot only selected column. So these two are the same. And the next is unpivot other column. So unpivot everything apart from this. So that I don't want. I want to do the unpivoting on the selected column. So I'll go with the unpivot columns, and simply in one click, it has given me Alex, 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 then maths, English, science, and the marks in that particular subject. Right? And as I said, that reverse of this is called the pivot. For the pivot again, I will go to the value. I will select the go in just next to this in the unpivot column. There is option called pivot columns. I click on this pivot column. I'm sorry. I have to select this attribute column and then go to the pivot column, and I have to give that which column should be taken as the value. So here we have the value only. I'll go for them. Okay. So again, my table is back into the original shape. See this. So this methods might be useful in some of the cases, but not in our current project scenario, where we don't have any columns which can be used as pivoting and unpivoting. So that's why for the demonstration purpose, we have shown you this feature on a small table. Right? Till then, we will in our next video we will learn some more advanced features. Till then, thank you.